So this is my vanity, and I'm just gonna turn on the light for you guys. So it's in a corner of my studio apartment, and I just love the look that I've been able to achieve on such a super tight budget. And I just have my chair, I have my desk, I have the little shelf that I've been able to fit in because there was a little gap between there, and I've really tried to maximize the utilization of space over here, and I've been able to get quite a bit of storage space there. So overall, that's what it looks like. There's definitely some more modifications I want to do to this corner, especially up there and near the blinds in the back. Now my favorite part, I love that it's also next to my Christmas tree, which I adore. So the other item is this little wicker basket that is actually a DIY from the dollar store. So I'll be sure to share another video where I do a bunch of home DIYs with you guys. So it literally cost me like almost $3-4 only to make. And of course, I love to have my fuzzy slippers by my makeup table so that I can put them on and keep my feet nice and warm while I'm doing my makeup. So let's get started on the actual makeup table. I of course have my little cute fridge that I've been loving. I got it as a birthday gift this year, and you can check out the link below to see my whole birthday gift review video. And so if you can look at the bag, this actually has options for both like heating and cooling, and it's portable, so it's a really cool little thing. So let's take a look inside. Now, right now, I don't have a whole lot of things in there because it's still pretty new. I do like to keep my Body Shop coconut body butter in there. And I actually use this body butter on my face as well because it's so good. And the reason I like to keep it cool is because when it's at room temperature, it gets quite a bit oily and messy. So I like it to not have it so oily when I put it on. And I have like these little things to wear on my eyes. I don't know what it's called, but you can like make it warm or cool and put it on there. So just a little warning, do not put it right outside of the fridge and then put it on directly. Wait a couple of minutes to bring down the temperature a little to room temperature, because otherwise it's just like too cold for your eyes sometimes, but a little cold is sometimes really nice. So I definitely love that. And then you can go ahead and look at my second favorite item on this desk, and that is this amazing perfume, which is like the cutest thing ever. So this one is called Sweet Like Candy perfume by Ariana Grande, and I absolutely love this. And I think if I run out, I'm probably just gonna hold on to the bottle because it's just so pretty and just goes well with my decor. Oops, I think I almost sprayed that into my eyes. Sorry about that. Well, I'm sorry to myself. And so these are all of my makeup brushes in this little holder. There's like a variety there, but these are definitely not all of my makeup brushes. I have more. I can show you the thing that is from the dollar store, the sticker right there. See? Proof. So almost a majority of items here are from the dollar store because, you know, we're still young adults, still gotta stay on a budget. And these little Mr. Nutcrackers are now visiting me on this desk because it's Christmas time, but they're not usually here. But I love that they also kind of match like the theme colors. So I have to show you guys this, it's so cute. So this is from my second date ever with my boyfriend, where we had gone to mini putt, which is like a kind of mini golfing indoor thing. And that was basically the date when we fell in love. So on our first year anniversary, he actually got this like framed on this thing and gave it to me as a gift. And I just love it. I think it's one of the best gifts I've ever gotten in my life, hands down. I'm pretty sure I beat him at the game too. So these are all of my lipsticks and lip glosses right here. All of these things, including the mirror, are from the dollar store. So let's move on to the left here. So this little item I got from Walmart, a dispenser. You could use it for soap, but I technically bought it for like lotion, but I haven't put anything in there yet. The little gold unicorn is from the dollar store as well. This piggy is so cute. I made my boyfriend buy it from me, but also from the dollar store. And I haven't yet started saving in it. I do have another bank as well, and I also save online. So let's move down to the little shelf I have right here. Like I was saying, amazing storage space. So here I have like another item from the dollar store that kind of goes with my theme. Lots of things in stock, a whole bunch of safety pins if anybody ever runs out of them. Definitely got that here. And some boxes with kind of like some of my ethnic jewelry when I dress up in my Bangladeshi clothes. And just some stuff that I don't wear a whole lot of, so they can be put away to the side. I actually want to show this to you guys. I do not know where I found this box. Probably like some cousin or someone gave it to me as a gift, and I just love it. Both of these. So the one on the left, you can see like it has some really unusual kind of looking jewelry, a little chunky, a little different. Not my style right now, but I love them and do want to hold on to them. And then the one here is also kind of the same. So before I put them away though, I do want to show you one more thing. So this is funny because I have this whole like fake MAC ripoff like makeup brush set, but it's obviously not the real one, not from the real MAC. I definitely can't afford that. It's actually from like a street vendor in Bangladesh when I go there to visit every year now. And it's like it like cost me so little, like maybe $10 for the whole thing. And this is one of the places that I like take out brushes and put them in my main brush holder whenever I need it. I'm also like slowly learning to use all the different kinds of brushes. Oops. Okay, so this thing is called a deep, and it's something you like stick on to like the middle of your forehead. It's also a part of like the more ethnic makeup that we do as Bengalis and Bangladeshis. A lot of people do them in India as well. And I'll show you guys some pictures of mine while wearing them. It's really pretty. So I have a whole bunch of collection of these. Okay, so let's start moving upwards. And so this shelf here, I have this beautiful shelf from Amazon. It was like only $30-40 I think. And so I have all of my brushes, hair straightener, hair dryer, all that kind of stuff tucked away in this beautiful basket that I believe I got from Walmart. And then on the next shelf up, I have a bunch of things that I've neatly organized using these dollar store plastic cases. I have my sunglasses on one side. Over here I have hand creams and also my watch. So this is like a plain pink watch from Walmart that I really need whenever I have rotations at the hospital. Some basic hand creams, different kind of smells and stuff. You can probably guess that I kind of like pink and purple. So I'll just take this out and show you guys what I usually keep here. So I do have all of my nail polishes there. There's not a lot, I don't use it a lot. And even the ones that are there have probably been pretty old. This other really cool device, I'm going to do another video on it. It's a part of a device that can help you really wash out your makeup brushes. And yeah, so this is the second little shelf. And then up there I have some body mists, body creams and stuff that are mostly from the Bath and Body Works. And then I have my pretty big giant carry like transportable makeup bag. So this is a whole little beast in itself. So I should tell you that almost everything I own is like NYX or other cruelty-free brands. And I mean, I've been trying to transition over. Anything that's not is probably really old. So some Born to Glow from NYX and my contour palette from NYX. And let's see. That's just some random jewelry in there. Not very organized, but some more shadow palettes from NYX as well. I really love the one on the bottom, the Ultimate Edit. A little eyeshadow primer from NYX, pretty old. Should probably be throwing that out. And yeah, a bunch of things like shimmers and stuff. Almost everything's from NYX. I'm transitioning over. I am also always looking for other cruelty-free brands. So this little thing is an amazing gift I got from my friend Sanjana and Adnan, and it's basically like an amazing nail polish remover, but it's oil-based, doesn't dry out your nail. There's a bunch of other things that you throw out. So this is actually 15 years old. This Lancome palette. It was my mom's and she's passed away, so I've always carried it with me. And other stuff that I should probably go through it one day and see if it's expired. And of course, a super cute little hand sanitizer. So this is usually where I carry my makeup, and it's where I keep the bulk of my palettes and stuff. Let's open the drawer of my makeup table, and we have a whole bunch of stuff here. So let's just go through them one by one. These are all pretty essential stuff. So this is from the Body Shop, link down below, and it's what you wear on your hair to pull it back while you're doing makeup or removing makeup. And that brings me to my Burt's Bees makeup removal wipes. Really good. So this is like a free little annual birthday gift that I get from Sephora every year as like somebody who had subscribed to them years ago. A roll of toilet paper. I know this might seem odd, but sometimes I use that on my lipsticks. And then a bunch of other little trinkets here with some jewelry that I like wearing day to day, so I mostly keep them here. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear this to my office Christmas party this week. This ho ho ho, I think it's from the dollar store, but it looks like really good quality and it looks really cute. And so over here, I'm a little out of focus. Okay, awesome. So I have some really elegant kind of bobby pins and stuff that I got from Old Navy. They were like, I don't think they were on sale, but they were pretty affordable. Little trinkets again. And just some jewelry, just scattered around there. So yeah, that's about it of the items that stay in my little pull-out drawer. And of course, I do love this table quite a bit. It's not necessarily one that's made to be a makeup table or a vanity. It is a normal IKEA desk, but it just functions perfectly well for my needs. So once again, just going through what all the elements are in my little vanity corner. Let's start off with the mirror. Now, I actually found the mirror on the side of the street a few years ago. So it was huge and it was beautiful. It was plain and it was free. So I picked it up, came here, disinfected it, and I've been using it ever since. And then these little bulbs you see are actually stick-ons that I ordered off of Amazon. I think they were like $20, $30. And you can like pretty much use this little cord to turn them off and on and off. So it's worked out perfectly because I'm on a budget, and so only $40 has given me this amazing setup. This desk so this chair was actually also secondhand, thrown out by somebody, so I cleaned it up. I still have to paint the top white, but I did paint the seat this nice dark brown color, which I like. And yeah, and the desk itself was also secondhand from Facebook Marketplace and cost me 40 Canadian dollars. If you're interested in seeing my Christmas tree too, I'll link it down below. I actually have a whole video about how I did this Christmas tree as a 100% or like 90% from the dollar store. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep in touch. Don't forget to subscribe. This is the Brown Feminist.